Got questions about using Cisco Meraki OAuth 2.0 with Boundless? We're here to help. Let's quickly revisit what Meraki OAuth 2.0 is all about. It's a secure framework that lets third-party applications like Boundless access Meraki data without you handing over your credentials. To connect or manage your Meraki organizations in Boundless, head to the Organizations page. Here, you'll see all currently connected organizations along with their connection dates and statuses. Connecting a new organization is easy. Click Add Organization and select which Meraki org to link. If it's missing from the list, make sure it's not already connected or contact Meraki support. After choosing your organization, click Allow. Back in Boundless, a success message in Connected status confirm everything's good. Let's talk statuses. Connected. Connected means that everything's running smoothly. Boundless has full access to your organization. Restricted. This means there's a barrier, usually an IP restriction. Check the error message and whitelist Boundless IP, then refresh. Expiring soon. The OAuth token is about to expire due to 90 days of inactivity. Just click Refresh to renew it. Expired. The token has fully expired. Click Reconnect to restore access, or remove the organization if you no longer need it. You can also disconnect an organization at any time. Just hit Disconnect. Still have questions about using Meraki OAuth 2.0 with Boundless? Our support team is here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.